Hey there everyone, welcome back. Today we are at Pete's RV Center in Salem, Virginia. It feels like it's 104 degrees out here. We're gonna look at a Jay Flight by Jayco. This is the 331 BTS. Let's take a look. All right, so we like to start up here with the storage. Generous storage area, lots of room to put your bins in there to store stuff. Manual stabilization jack, so you're gonna crank those things down or use a drill. That's what I use on my rig. You've got an awning that covers about, 80% of this entire side, which is great. Moving forward, you have a Lippert solid step, right? Tandem axles or dual axles. Nice big outdoor kitchen. You'd have a griddle or a grill that goes here. Nice mini fridge, not even a micro fridge. Water. You got some cabinetry out here. It's real nice. And at my height of 6'4", I'm not even touching the top here, which is great. I got my own shade. Let's just stay here. Can we do the whole review from here because it's shady? Actually, a cloud has come over, so it's helping us out. As we come around to the back, there's a ladder mounted here full-time, pre-wired for a Furrion backup camera. And as you can see, your tire is mounted here for easy access. Also, interestingly enough, your city water connection is right here in the back, right? As well as a shower. And that's your black tank flush too. As we come around here, here is your power, and that is a black tank flush. Is that your fill? Oh, no, they say they're both flushes. Interesting. Yeah, I said it's both flushes. All right, your sewer connection, where is it? There's the pull for it right there. So there's your pull for the gray tank. I don't actually see where the sewer hose connects because the slide is out, but there's the pull for it. So I find that very interesting, that this pull back there, but here is where it all flows out. So my guess is there is a tank back there and it just all flows out of the one spot. You see here is the other side of your storage. Let's take a look at the numbers. Gross vehicle weight of 9,995 pounds with a cargo carrying capacity of 1,054 pounds. As we come to the front, electric stabilization jack, or for getting it on and off. I keep on saying stabilization jack.
You do.
Yeah, I don't know why. It's just take this on and off your vehicle.
Yeah.
But it's electric. 2 20-pound propane tanks. It's the heat.
It is.
And the Mad Cow. And the spot for 2 batteries. All right, let's go take a look at the inside. All right, so it's going to be a little bit darker in here. We apologize, but we really like this layout and floor plan, so we wanted to share it with you. So as you walk in, as you can see, it's a really nice area here. And it's created because there's opposing slides. So it allows you to have this island in the middle, so you got a really generous kitchen and a coffee bar, which we'll get to all that in a minute, okay? Right straight in front of the door is your chairs. They're not theater chairs, it's more of a love seat, okay? So they are not recliners, but my guess is you could have recliners. Right across from me, catty corner, is where the TV would go. You could put it on a swivel hinge so it could come out. As you see, there's some cabinetry above and below. Speaking of cabinetry, right when you came in the door here, there is cabinetry. There's octopus hangers up there so you can hang your jackets and things. And your controls for the slides and lights are all here as well in a little cabinet there. Back over here by the seats next to them is your dinette. It's a traditional RV dinette. This does convert down to be a bed, 2 benches, and storage underneath. Okay? But we were talking about this nice sized kitchen, Lisa.
Yeah, this is great for a pull behind. Travel trailer, absolutely. You've got this nice island. You actually do have a 50-50 sink. This is recessed a little bit so you can get those larger pots and pans in. A tall faucet. Underneath that, look at all the storage. Yeah, and we've got a couple of drawers here as well underneath the sink. Now off behind me here we have a microwave, okay, with a little bit of storage next to it. We have some countertop space next to our 3-burner stove, which I love having the countertop space there. We have an oven, and then there's storage underneath as well as next to. Then we have our refrigerator freezer.
12 volt.
Yeah, 12 volt.
And it looks like we have a dedicated food pantry here.
It does, doesn't it?
Nice.
Look at that.
That is huge. Let's take it. Let's do it. Ooh, solid shelves.
I love
Those
that.
aren't going to smile at you.
Yes.
I love that. Then we have this coffee bar.
Yeah.
Or smoothie bar, or wine bar, or whatever, a sidebar.
Yeah, and there's power and USB. There's lighting there as well. We've got storage underneath as well as above.
Nice.
Yeah.
Now this is a BTS. This is a bunkhouse, but it's a bunk room house. I mean, you have a whole bunk area back here.
Yeah.
This is a sofa. As you can see, we've laid it out so you can see what it looks like when it's flat, but it's also goes up to be a regular sofa. This bunk up here can latch up to the top so you can sit on that sofa and not smack your head. All right, and then there's a couple of bunks on the other side here as well. So, you know, if you got a decent sized family, this is a nice unit.
It is.
There is plenty of cabinetry in here. There's not much storage there, but you have some storage there as well as back here, right? And underneath here.
Very nice. Those are large drawers.
All right, some
And
kiddos
place for
back
a
here.
TV.
Place for a TV, right? So, you know, if it's, you know, want to keep them locked back here, there is a door that you can put them back here and shut the door. The door is just open right now, but, you know, here's the door right here. So, you know, okay, y'all, go back there. All right, come
Love
on.
it.
Let's go forward. Back to the back.
All right.
Now, we're going to the front, but that's in the back. All right, let's see. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
As I mentioned outside, I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around the RV. Also, do us a huge favor. If this is your first time finding our channel, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. It costs you absolutely nothing, and it really does help out the channel, and Lisa and I would sincerely appreciate it. Thank you. All right, I'm on this plastic foot flush toilet, and as you can see from where I'm sitting, there is plenty of room here, guys. This is not a problem. There's plenty of shoulder space as well, so this is definitely a good toilet for the tall and fluffy. Sort of to my left and up a little bit, if you can see in the camera, is your vanity. Great countertop space there, and so you can keep all those lotions and potions out. Single basin sink. There is some storage underneath. Not a tremendous amount, but a little bit there on the top. And you do have a vanity, a medicine cabinet, right?
Mad cow.
It's kind of low, at least for me at my height, so I can only see from actually here down from where I'm standing. If I got closer, I can only see from here down, but I suppose I could back up and do this. I'm follically challenged. I don't need it anyway. All right, so this is a little corner shower. Someone my height, I'm not the fondest of corner showers. This one's a little bit on the larger side than some of them, so it's not horrible. And there's plenty of height. In fact, as you can see, even if I'm not standing in the bubble, I'm just touching. But the screws are recessed, so it's not going to bother me. But inside the bubble, you could be 6'9".
Nice.
Okay? Shower head's in a decent place. Got a couple of shelves in here. So not bad for a corner shower. Typically, I don't like crawling them. I don't like using them, but this one's not bad. All right?
Nice.
So let's go into the bedroom. Let's go into the master. He says we're going to have to backtrack. We're going to have to do we call this the fifth wheel shuffle, even though we're in a travel trailer. You typically have to do that in a fifth wheel. All right, this looks to be like a residential queen. So let's take a measurement on it for you guys. 60. Oh, drum roll, here we go. Here's the big measurement. 60 by 80. Residential queen mattress.
Very nice.
So
Love
that
that
is awesome. So you can replace this anywhere. And we say that because mattresses in RVs, when you first buy them, they're all garbage. But mostly. There's a few nicer RVs that have decent mattresses to begin with, but generally they call them placeholders, so you have to replace that. As you see, there's cabinets flanking left and right. Big open cabinetry up here. I wish there was doors on there, but there are not. You do have power down below for those CPAP machines and plenty of space, obviously, for those. Let me open at least one of these drawers so you can see there's hanging in there as well. If you wanted to mount a TV, it would go against this wall right here. All right? And there you have it, guys, the 331 BTS. Nice big unit, mom and dad and a couple of kids, right? Let us know what you think of this floor plan, if that fits your needs. I know a lot of you like the smaller ones, but, you know, there's a lot of people out there, you know, mom and dad and 2 kids, and they need some space. So this one gives you some definite space, especially with the opposing slides here in the living, kitchen, dining area. All right, until we see you again somewhere on the road, be safe.